Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, which is every Tuesday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is being hosted by the ladies of Elegance, which is Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. So in today's video, I'm really excited. I'm going to be decorating a table for two on my coffee table, and I'm calling it Sunshine Yellow. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and decorate this table. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now make sure and click that subscribe button and that notification bell where it says all, and you will be notified every single time I upload a video. Now, full watching the video and clicking that like button helps me to grow on YouTube. Okay, now let's take a look at this tablescape. So the tablecloth, I thrifted at the Goodwill. And those chargers, I bought those at Hobby Lobby. And the melamine plates in yellow, I purchased that at Big Lots. Okay, now the two vases on top of that table, I DIY'd those with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and that all of the florals did come from Dollar Tree. Now, if we go over to the cloth napkins, I purchased those at the Salvation Army, and the ties, the napkin ties. or the napkin dress, I got at Dollar Tree. Now the glassware, I purchased that at the Salvation Army, and so pretty much this was a budget-friendly tablescape, and I'm very happy with it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, romantic, and now it's almost time to light the candles and then head on over to the reveal. Okay, I'm all set. Let's head on over there, guys. I'm so excited. Doesn't that look so romantic? I am so happy with the results of this today. So remember, next Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I cannot wait to see you there. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next Tuesday.